Hi, I'm Brian, a tool engineer at Haas Automation, and today we want to show you the latest evolution of Haas laser markers, the HL-10E-UV and the HL-30E-CO2. Similar to our very popular HL-50E, both the UV and CO2 variants run on 110-volt power and plug directly into a standard wall outlet. Both lasers utilize the same work table as the HL-50E, which allows users to accommodate a part size of roughly 13.8 inches by 17.7 inches and a weight of up to 176 pounds. The main differences between the three laser markers are the materials that each laser excels at marking. While the HL-50E is best suited for a wide variety of metallic materials, it offers limited processing on organic and heat-sensitive materials. Although there is certainly some overlap between the working materials, the HL-30E-CO2 and the HL-10E-UV help expand the range of marking applications and material capabilities. The HL-30E-CO2 is a far/long-wave infrared laser that provides quality laser marking on organic and non-metallic materials, perfect for workpieces made of wood, paper, leather, rubber, textiles, acrylic, and lightly coated surfaces. It operates at a wavelength of 10.64 micrometers using radio frequency excitation and a sealed CO2 gas tube to generate a laser beam primarily intended for light engraving and surface marking. In contrast, the HL-10E-UV is an ultraviolet laser marking system that provides slower but exceptionally precise laser marking capabilities for most heat-sensitive materials such as plastics, polymers, acrylics, foam, glass, and resins. This laser operates at a much softer wavelength of 355 nanometers and uses a neodymium-doped crystal to generate a laser beam designed for delicate and detailed laser marking. Its distinct cold marking capabilities with its reduced heat-affected zones is most ideal for marking materials with low thermal conductivity and a low threshold for thermal exposure. With our growing lineup of laser marking machines, putting logos, QR codes, part numbers, and other elements on a workpiece has never been easier. From high-speed metal etching to engraving wood and organic materials, and ultra-precise markings on delicate heat-sensitive surfaces, Haas has a laser marker built for the job. To learn more about laser markers and see current pricing, visit haastooling.com and search laser marking. Thanks for watching.